Welcome to the Authority Property Management audio blog, where rentals, real estate, and reality collide. Whether you're renting it out, living in it, or thinking about investing, we've got insights, stories, and strategies to keep you in the know. Let's dive right into today's topic.
June 2025 newsletter, Strong Rental Demand and Key Market Insights for Redding, California. Summer's heating up, stay informed, prepared, and ahead of the curve in Redding's real estate scene. Rental Market Update. Rental activity across Shasta County remains strong as we move into the busy summer season. Tenant demand is high, vacancy rates are low, and competitively priced properties continue to lease quickly. Market highlights. Average rents. Redding's average rent sits around $1,469 per month, showing moderate growth year over year. Top property types. 3-bedroom homes and 2-bedroom units are leading the demand, especially among families and young professionals. Vacancy rate. Authority Property Management's portfolio maintains a low 5.3% vacancy rate, well below the county average, delivering steady returns for property owners. For landlords, now is the time to ensure your rental property is well maintained and priced right. Move-in ready homes in good condition remain highly competitive. Shasta County Sales Market Snapshot. According to Josh Barker's June 2025 market update, the local housing market continues to show signs of balance and opportunity. Total homes sold, May 165, down 17.9% from May 2024. Absorption rate, 4.37 months, a sign of a stable market. Average sale price, $383,320, down 1.82% year over year. Median sale price, $365,000, up 4.29% year over year. Average time on market, 92 days, up from 85 last year. Mortgage rates, steady at 6.85% for a 30-year fixed loan. Despite fewer sales, the rise in median price indicates that quality, well-prepared homes continue to attract serious buyers. Team updates, welcoming new faces. We're thrilled to welcome Rana as our new maintenance coordinator. Her experience and dedication to service are already making an impact. We also say a heartfelt farewell to Kim, who is off to new adventures. Thank you, Kim, for your outstanding contributions. Plus, Enrique, our new leasing coordinator, is wrapping up training and will be assisting clients with leasing needs very soon. Important tax changes on the horizon. Major tax policy shifts are coming that could impact real estate investors starting in 2025. Here's what to keep an eye on, courtesy of 𝘿𝘌𝘙𝘌𝘋. Bonus depreciation, down to 40% in 2025. This may be your last chance for significant depreciation benefits. Estate and gift tax exemptions may shrink, impacting estate planning. 20% pass-through deduction expires at the end of 2025, potentially raising tax liability. Income tax rates set to increase in 2026, with the top bracket reverting to 39.6%. 1031 exchanges, not expiring, but increasing scrutiny could limit future advantages. Talk to a qualified tax advisor to plan your strategy early. Ask the expert. Question: how can I make my rental property more appealing to prospective tenants? Answer: start with strong curb appeal, cleanliness, and modern, neutral finishes. Properties that highlight energy efficiency and are priced competitively are especially attractive in today's market. Seasonal maintenance tips. With summer heat setting in, now's the time to prep your property. Inspect and clean gutters. Service HVAC systems. Check and repair irrigation systems. Seal doors and windows. Maintain landscaping. Proactive maintenance helps reduce repair costs and keeps tenants satisfied. We're always here to help. At Authority Property Management, we make rentals simple. Whether you need guidance on market trends, tenant placement, or property upkeep, we're just a call away. Call us 530-410-6085. Visit our website www.authoritypm.com.
Thanks for tuning into the Authority Property Management audio blog. For more expert landlord or tenant tips, local market updates, and property management support, visit us at authoritypm.com. Don't forget to like, subscribe, or even drop us a review. Follow us on social media for the latest. Until next time, stay informed, stay profitable.